Hangeul and Korean. Lecture 21. In 3. Korean phonology. 2. Phonological change. 1. The principle of Hangeul is that it is pronounced as written. However, depending on the context of surrounding sounds, the pronunciation may change or the spelling may vary. This is called phonological change. Phonological change is a phenomenon that occurs when pronouncing Hangeul, differing from its actual spelling, making it difficult even for Koreans to pronounce accurately. Therefore, I will now outline situations where discrepancies between written form and actual pronunciation cause issues. Note that depending on the context, some forms may be recognized as standard, while others may differ between written form and pronunciation. The world is composed of the harmony of yin and yang, as explained in the theory of yin and yang. King Sejong elucidated that human speech consists of vowels and consonants based on the principles of yin and yang theory. And as previously stated, he created Hangeul by incorporating the theory of the 5 elements. Just as yin and yang must achieve proper harmony, the arrangement of phonemes must likewise achieve proper harmony between vowels and consonants. That is, just as in the principle of Hangeul's creation, vowels and consonants, recognized as separate elements, must be arranged sequentially and harmoniously. The ideal and harmonious arrangement of phonemes is, as shown in the figure above, consonant vowel consonant vowel, consonant vowel. However, when actually pronouncing the sounds, as seen in the above, problem situation 1 and problem situation 2, a phenomenon occurs where vowels are absent, causing consonants to collide with each other, or consonants are absent, causing vowels to collide with each other. When such problems occur, vowels and consonants that were previously pronounced correctly may deviate from their original pronunciation. To resolve these issues and restore harmony, the following 4 measures are implemented. 1. Addition. 2. Replacement. 3. Abbreviation. 4. Drop. When a conflict arises, the first step is to fill in the gaps. In other words, by 1-inch addition a consonant or vowel to the problematic area, the conflict can be resolved. The next solution would be to replace the problematic sound with another sound. In other words, by replacement it with another consonant or vowel of a similar or identical series, the conflict situation could be resolved. The next solution would be to 3. Abbreviation the 2 problematic sounds into one, thereby resolving the conflict. And finally, if we drop the problematic sound, we can resolve the conflict. As mentioned above, the 1 addition, 2 replacement, 3 abbreviation, and drop used to solve the problem of phonemic change can be used as a philosophy of life when there is a conflict of opinion in daily life or when new creative ideas are being developed.